Happy Thanksgiving. What do mortgages have to do with Thanksgiving? I will tell you. In 1620, when the Pilgrims came over, for the first 3 years, they did what was called farming in common. They would all pitch in and farm the same land. Well, turns out it wasn't working real well. Some people worked hard, some people didn't, but they all got the equal rewards. A little bit like socialism and communism. After 3 years, they've lost over half the Pilgrims. They're on the verge of starvation and malnutrition. And William Bradford decides to write this paper and turn the colony around by suddenly offering private land. So everybody was given their own land to farm, and all of a sudden, boom, productivity jumps up because now they have to do it to survive, and also they have ownership and pride. So what do mortgages have to do? Private property, home ownership. You take pride in it. Again, that was the raw land. I get it, but you have ownership in the land. So you can still mortgage land. But at the end of the day, that was really cool. I thought, I've told the story probably every year, but I think that's really neat. So what I also did, new for this year, just yesterday, I did this exercise. Get a list out. Have you ever done like a gratitude list, like things you're thankful for? I have, but this is new. So here are the categories now. People, like family, friends. I listed some people by name. Others I just put, teammates, things like that. But people from the past. Like I had some high school coaches that were in middle school coaches that were super influential. So all the people in your past that made you who you are and you appreciate them, your traits, right? What do you have that you're blessed about and blessed for? I'm blessed for my health and all those other things that you're able to do. Your experiences, what have you done? What do you get to do on a regular basis? Trips, what trips do I take? July 4th with our family, man, those are memorable. The holidays, what do you do for these traditions? Like things you're again, show gratitude. Your accomplishments, very proud of these things that I did, list those out. What stuff, right? Let's throw stuff. I'm proud of my house. I'm proud of all this other stuff. I'm proud that I have it. So it's like I have gratitude that I own those things. Things you appreciate. Sunsets at the ranch, for example, or a cocktail in your hand on a Friday night as the sun goes down after a hard-earned week. And then the big ticket items, right? I'm very thankful and I'm very gracious. I'm glad to be in God's grace, right? I'm glad to be an American. I live in the greatest time ever. Like, thank goodness I'm not in the 1800s. I wouldn't survive. But in terms of just where we are, think of all the little things you take for we take for granted every single day. And the quote that I really like that I have at the top: what if you woke up tomorrow with only the things you thank God for today? So if you didn't say thank you tonight, saying your prayers, you lose it tomorrow. Your list will get really long, right? Not just for my health, but for my family's health, my relationships, the wonderful things I have, the wonderful people I know. And ultimately, it's a really cool opportunity I have at this moment. 105 things that I've listed. So my goal is to get to 140 things, 41. There's a reason behind that from a podcast, neither here nor there. But what a cool exercise. So I'd highly recommend doing it yourself, share it with the family, share with friends, but really enjoy, truly enjoy just the time. I'm thankful for you watching. I'm thankful for my teammates. I'm thankful for all of those things where if you just take that time, man, we are super blessed. No matter how screwed up this country gets and whatever your opinions are, we are truly blessed to be who we are in this great state, in this great nation, in this great time. Thank you for watching, but more importantly, thank you for just being awesome. Have a great Thanksgiving holiday.